Hello guys, we are back with another video, and this one is a review on the Zmol pencil sharpener. It comes with a USB cord, an AC adapter, a replaceable helical blade, a user manual, and it has this little card that it comes with. Just letting you know to contact them first if you have any issues with the product, and a little thank you on the back, and to give good reviews on Amazon if you're satisfied. It also has their Instagram handle and their email address again. So guys, it has a 5 pencil nib adjustment and auto stop. It also has the option of 4 AA batteries. All right, so let's get started. All right guys, so Jannah is going to test out the pencil sharpener and show us how easy it is to sharpen the pencil. Jannah, go ahead and put the pencil in the pencil sharpener and press down. Hold it down so it can sharpen the pencil. All right guys, so Jannah sharpened the pencil and I would say it came out pretty good. All right, let's put it to use. Here's our activity, and Jannah's just gonna trace her name and her shapes. Whoa, great job, Jannah. What shape is that?
Triangle.
Yeah, you gotta finish it off. You got one more line to do. Good job. Now let's do our circle. Great. And what about our square?
Down and around.
Good job, Jannah.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
My heart